God bless and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Steve. Sana maging masaya ka palagi. Yun lang.
Happy birthday. Sana lagi kang ganyan. Stay humble. Bye.
Lately, I've been thinking about you, baby. You don't know what I'm going through, but every time.
Sa April 16 na happy birthday, tsaka God bless. Mga birthdays naman.
Sana maging masaya ako sa birthday mo, birthday na birthday mo na di sinasabi matutulog ka lang sa inyo dahil may surprise kami para sa birthday mo. At sana ay huwag mo isipin lagi na mahirap maging Miss dahil nandito lang kayong mga classmates. Once again, happy birthday.
Hello, Easty. Happy birthday. Tsaka sana magkaroon ka ng good health and may the odds be under your favor.
Okay na yan.
Happy birthday, Easty. Sana marami pang birthday dumating sa'yo. God bless. Love you. Bye-bye.
Hello, Easty. Happy birthday. More blessings to come. Tsaka tuloy-tuloy mo lang yung mga positive attitudes mo. Kung may mga nakikriticize man sa'yo, huwag mo sila pansinin kasi yan ba't mo babaguhin yung sarili mo? Basta, believe in God lang lagi. Alam mo yan, lagi tayong ganyan. Tapos, yun, God bless, more birthdays to come. Tapos, yun, happy birthday.
Wish ko lang more blessings to come and syempre more birthdays to come. Tsaka sana continue pa yung success sa buhay. Yun lang. Love you.
To be by my side, I want you to be mine, oh mine. Girl, I know this may be hard to understand. That's why I ask if you want a chance to let me be.
Happy birthday, more blessings and birthdays to come.
Sandali lang.
Happy birthday. Wish you all the blessings and good health. Sana hindi ka magbago. Happy birthday. Birthday.
For you, and girl, you're the one I choose. Whatever you ask, I'll do. Cause I care so much about you.
Sana wag ka magbabago sa ugali mo. Tsaka more birthday to come.
Easty, happy birthday to you. Sorry kung hindi ako makakaabot sa birthday mo. Yung chupa chups hagis ko na lang sa'yo. Tapos, good health, God bless always. Sabi ko nga, ingat ka palagi. Tapos, dito lang kami, Oya, para magkakaroon.
Hi, Easty. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Good health. Sorry, agad ako ngayon Happy birthday. I love you. Easty, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Sana umabot pa yung buhay mo and sana sa lahat ng mga wish mo para sa buhay mo, sana matupad and sana pagpatuloy mo lang yung mga good na pinapakita mo sa amin and sana wag ka sa amin magbabago. Happy birthday ulit, Easty. God bless.
Keep running through my face. Why did you
So, Isti, happy birthday. And ilang taong ka na? 17? Ay, 16 yan pala mo. Kahit mukha kang 13, ay mukha kang grade 4. And happy birthday sa'yo. And sana, wish ko sa'yo. Abnormal ka.
Sana mabawasan yung cake.
Sana na? Wala birthday. And so, kung mapapatigil ito sa ingrid ko lahat ng J, huwag na lang siya dumadami. And wish ko na sana mabusbasin yung topak mo, tsaka lagi mo pa intindihin yung mga ka-abnormal na namin. And thank you, tsaka yun lang. Happy birthday, God bless.
Since you called me, but you forget about me. You gotta be feeling crazy.
Maria Cristalina Conesa, happy birthday sa'yo. Thank you sa lahat na ginawa mo. Tsaka, wish you more blessings to come, good health, good mind, good soul, especially for the career na ibibigay sa atin ni Lord. And you know naman na since prep na magkakaklase tayo, you're almost there and you almost got it all. So, happy birthday and love you. Bye.